Welcome to Extreme Loaders. Get ready to witness jaw-dropping feats of strength, precision, and raw power as we dive into the world of heavy machinery. From bulldozers conquering rough terrains to excavators getting stuck in the mud, this channel showcases the incredible skills of operators and the might of machines in the most extreme conditions. Let's get started. Watch in awe as the skilled operator of the CAT D6 RXL bulldozer quickly transforms rough, uneven terrain into a smooth, workable road. Road construction isn't just about machinery, it requires incredible precision and power. This video showcases how the bulldozer's impressive size and strength, combined with the expertise of the operator, can conquer even the toughest environments in a fraction of the time. This video offers a mix of hard work and fun as two JCB-3DX machines and the JCB-145 excavator take on a challenging river crossing. The playful competition between the owner and driver adds excitement, but also highlights the difficulty of operating heavy equipment in muddy, unpredictable conditions. It's a perfect example of how even heavy-duty machinery can turn into a fun challenge when the right spirit is involved.
Excavator sank in blue.
When two excavators get stuck in deep clay, it becomes a true test of heavy recovery. This video highlights the critical role of recovery vehicles, showing how teamwork, patience, and proper technique are essential in extracting large machinery from tricky situations. The strength and expertise required to free these machines is a clear reminder of the complexity involved in heavy equipment operations.
Machine starts moving again.
An unexpected situation unfolds when the Caterpillar 320D excavator sinks deep into the mud, showcasing how quickly things can go wrong in the field. The struggle to pull the excavator out with a truck crane demonstrates the challenges of recovery work and the ingenuity required to tackle such situations. This video reminds us of the importance of preparation and quick decision-making in overcoming unexpected obstacles. Moving a 102-ton glacial erratic rock is no small feat, and this video captures the precision and coordination needed for such a massive operation. The heavy haulage team must ensure that every move is calculated to prevent rock or equipment damage. It's fascinating to see the complexities of transporting extremely heavy and difficult to handle objects, where every inch counts. Trucking up Tar Hill in New Zealand presents a unique challenge for heavy-duty trucks, with steep inclines and difficult conditions requiring exceptional skill and strength. This video shows the truck drivers' determination and their vehicle's remarkable capability to tackle rugged terrain. It's an impressive demonstration of machine power and human perseverance in navigating tough, mountainous roads. Get ready for a jaw-dropping showcase of the largest and most powerful construction and mining machines in action. This video takes you through the incredible operations that move these machines. From gigantic excavators to massive transport vehicles, the sheer scale and complexity of these tasks highlight not just the equipment's power, but the operator's skill and the technology that makes it all possible. Testing a mini rock crusher might seem simple, but this video offers a fascinating look into the efficiency and power of smaller machinery designed for crushing tough rock. The machine's ability to break down stones quickly and effectively showcases how even compact equipment can handle large, demanding jobs. It's a testament to how technology continues to improve, making these machines more powerful and efficient.
Being that the motor doesn't get overloaded in the market.
Watch the powerful excavator as it effortlessly loads soil into dump trucks, demonstrating the strength and efficiency of modern heavy equipment. This video shows the precision needed to load large material quickly and safely. It highlights the vital role of such machinery in construction projects and the precision required to keep operations running smoothly without delays. The Caterpillar 966E wheel loader works tirelessly to load giant rocks into Mitsubishi dump trucks in this incredible display of raw power and efficiency. Watch as the loader lifts and moves large rocks with ease, showcasing the machine's strength and the operator's skill. This video provides a glimpse into the high-performance world of heavy construction machinery, where precision and power come together to get the job done. Trucks navigating the busy streets of Wellington, New Zealand, are always a challenge, and this video captures the action perfectly. With complex traffic, tight spaces, and steep hills, truck drivers must demonstrate exceptional skills and experience. The video gives viewers a behind-the-scenes look at the effort that goes into driving large vehicles in urban environments, showcasing the incredible coordination and skill required. The Lever 974 excavator and Caterpillar 775 dumpers are moving massive amounts of material in this impressive quarry operation. This video emphasizes the seamless coordination between these two powerful machines, showcasing the strength and precision required for large-scale mining operations. Watching these heavy-duty machines work together highlights the importance of teamwork and efficiency in achieving high productivity.
What happened? Oh my. Yeah?
Winter's wet too.
Yeah, I know. I thought it was gonna be.
This video shows the sudden and dramatic situation when a mini vehicle gets buried, requiring urgent recovery operations. The quick thinking and skill of the rescue team are critical to freeing the vehicle, highlighting how vital it is to stay calm and efficient in challenging recovery situations. It's a great reminder that even small vehicles can get stuck in difficult conditions, and proper recovery skills are always necessary.
Wash her out, wash it off, but it happened.
Wants a bigger pond, and you're probably gonna realistically dig with that.
Digging a small pond may sound simple, but this video reveals the precision and care needed to complete the task correctly. Modern machinery makes what could be a time-consuming job much easier, demonstrating the significant advantages of technology in even the most straightforward tasks. It's a perfect example of how machinery can simplify work while ensuring the job is done accurately.
Now, and it's full. Well, this looks good. You know, the area.
In front of us is a very sharp corner with a steep incline, full of mud. Going downhill is easy.
Heavy trucks and equipment getting stuck in the mud is a common issue in the world of transport. This video captures various machines and trucks facing difficulties in muddy conditions, emphasizing how quickly even the most powerful machines can get stuck. It's a thrilling reminder that even with the best machinery, the environment can present unforeseen challenges that require quick action to overcome.
Of rocky bumps, and the grader can't remove the mud properly.
Watch the Caterpillar 6015B excavator in action, loading trucks with massive amounts of material in just 2 passes. This video highlights the efficiency and sheer power of the Caterpillar 6015B as it performs one of the most demanding tasks in the mining industry. The impressive performance of this excavator shows just how important high-performance machinery is in maximizing productivity in large-scale mining operations. Captured in this video is the chaos caused by an atmospheric river in California, where a winter storm causes heavy snow and traps truckers on I-80. The video highlights the severe weather conditions truck drivers must navigate, showcasing the challenges and dangers they face during winter storms. It's a sobering reminder of the importance of safety precautions and preparedness when dealing with extreme weather on the road. Thanks for tuning in to Extreme Loaders. We hope you enjoyed watching these incredible machines in action. Don't forget to hit the like button. subscribe, and share for more thrilling heavy machinery adventures. See you next time for more power-packed action.